4 engines on there. A lot of power. Well, I'm gonna walk over here where I got a better view. I literally left my toboggan inside the lifeway just now. I gotta go grab it. Yep, okay, my gloves in my coat pocket. Careful. If I'm not careful where I step, I'm gonna fall and bust my butt. There's a solid ice. Owie. Huh? You need me to clear out today or in the morning? Yeah, I might ought to do that here in a little while, dear. Alright. I didn't recognize you. I'm usually all having the pickup truck. Yeah, I'll probably get that here this evening, that way you can get in there. Well, I got a little bit of work I gotta do for somebody. Get a picture here or not. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to Waldo's Trains here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Toby!